An alternative termination sequence for ATM debit machines exists. This sequence is specific to certain types of ATM debit machines and may not be applicable to all models. You will need materials such as an RJ45 connector, a crimping tool, and an 8-conductor or 8-exit straight-through Ethernet cable. To perform the termination sequence, firstly prepare the Ethernet cable. Cut an approximately 6-inch length of Ethernet cable and strip approximately 1 inch of the jacket off both ends. Secondly, untwist the pairs. Untwist the 8 pairs of wires approximately 2 inches from the stripped end of the cable. Thirdly, insert wires into the connector. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector in the following order, starting from the left: white/green, green, white/orange, blue, white/blue, orange, white/brown, and brown. Fourthly, trim the wires. Once the wires are inserted, trim any excess wire that extends beyond the connector. Fifthly, secure the connector. Place the crimping tool over the RJ45 connector and squeeze down firmly to secure the wires. Sixthly, connect the terminator. Attach the terminated Ethernet cable to the ATM debit machine's data port. Additional considerations to make are: firstly, ensure that the data port on the machine supports the use of an RJ45 connector. Secondly, if the data line is encrypted, the terminating device may require a specific configuration or key to establish a secure connection. Thirdly, always refer to the manufacturer's documentation or consult a qualified technician for specific termination instructions.